Here is 40 miles an hour. I'm going 30 right now. There's a vehicle in front of me. So yeah. Just love to hear the sound of the car. You know, to hear the exhaust, hear the engine and everything else. It's here. It just sounds amazing. I just can't wait to get that 2013 5.7 Hemi engine done, built. I can't wait to get it done. I'm about done with it. I got my last push rods coming in, and I'll be doing a video on that to put them in. For now, I am going to use my rockers, everything else stock. You know, I'm going to use it stock for now. Everything else stock. You know what I mean? Just for now, stock until I change it out later. Yeah, I'm going to use the stock rockers for now, and now we'll switch them out. There's a company, I'll post down a link where I'm going to order my rockers. Oh yeah, what I'm going to do to my engine, my new engine, the 5.7 Hemi engine, I'm going to do hooker headers, and I'm going to get those, and I'm going to do a catalytic converter delete, you know, a resonator delete. You know, I'm deleting the resonators, you know, out there. So yeah. So anyway, it's time for me to wrap this video up, and more things will come to W.D.T High Performance channel, and more things will be coming for the 2013 5.7 Hemi engine. So anyway, thank you for tuning into my channel. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and please click on the bell icon for more notifications, and thank you for watching, and God bless. Have a good day. Peace.